the first preview of .NET 11, a new Microsoft Store CLI, and more of this in this episode of Developer News for the calendar week 7. The first preview of .NET 11 is out. It comes with support for the CSTD compression format and various improvements for the zip archive API. Furthermore, there's a new floating point type, the 16-bit brain floating type, which is often used in AI development. For creating hard links, there is a new function, file.createHardLink. And for opening different streams, there are new helper functions called file.openNullHandle, console.openStandardInputHandle, console.openStandardOutputHandle, and console.openStandardErrorHandle. In C# there's a new capability to specify constructor arguments directly in collection expressions. To do that, just use the with keyword and then in parentheses specify the constructor arguments. And then use this whole thing as the first item in the collection expression. In F#, parallel compilation, which was previously in preview, is now enabled by default. There are of course also a lot of other changes to the libraries and other stuff in .NET. You can read the whole changelog for the preview, it's linked in the description. TypeScript had also its first preview for a new version. TypeScript 6.0 beta comes with improvements to the this object. It now does not generate if it is unused. There are also more changes. These are listed in the changelog, which is also linked in the description. Microsoft released a new CLI tool to interact with the Microsoft Store. It comes automatically with the latest update to the store, and it can list products, add-ons for these products, as well as install and update apps. GitHub introduces agentic workflows, which are now in public preview and help you create workflows with the help of natural language. To do that, just add a markdown file in the workflows folder and then use the new ghaw command to convert your markdown file into a workflow file. GPT 5.3 codex is now generally available for GitHub Copilot. There is a new setting that lets you limit who can create PRs in your repository. You can set it to collaborators only or deactivate it completely. For example, the Linux kernel team will definitely be happy about this, as they can now finally turn off pull requests where they don't accept them. That's it for this week. Leave a like if you liked the video, subscribe so you don't miss next week's episode, and goodbye.